Hello guys, in today's video, I will show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to Bitget. So, in order to do this, first of all, open your Bitget application and you will see this interface. Here, click on the assets icon at the bottom right side of the screen. Now, click on the withdraw icon. After this, you'll be taken to this page where you'll have to search for BTC, that is Bitcoin. Now select Bitcoin. Here, you'll have to click on network and select BTC as the network. Now, in the amount section, you'll have to basically put the amount that you want to withdraw from Binance to Bitget. So first of all, open your Binance application. After opening the application, you will have to simply click on the wallets icon at the bottom right side of the screen. Now, you'll have to click on withdraw icon. Now, after this, select withdraw. Here, choose USDT, then click on send via crypto network. Now, here what you'll have to do is simply navigate back to your Bitget application and you will see an interface that will look something like this. Here, click on the receive icon, choose USDT and select BNB chain as a network. Now, click on the copy link here, copy this address, go back to Binance and paste the address just right here. After pasting the address, you'll have to click on network and select BNB Smart Chain. After doing this, you'll have to enter the withdrawal amount and click on withdraw. Now, when you click on withdraw button, you'll be taken to a page where you would have successfully transferred the USDT from Binance to Bitget. So that is a simple way to do this. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.